Hello guys, welcome to today's video. Today I'm gonna be teaching you guys how to create a bot that has an entry point. And if you're new on this Deriv game, you can use the link on my bio to create an account if you don't have one. So without wasting time, let's create one. So on the utility, go to the variables, and on the variables, create a variable by the name prediction. Create a variable by the name stake and another variable by the name entry point. So with that, let's first drag this stake to this point and drag this prediction to this point here at that point. Then we're gonna drag this item here on the run add-ons, and we add a number on the math. Bring this number here, then you can duplicate, change this one to stake, and then duplicate again, and you can change this one to now the entry point. So assuming you are trading over one, that's our prediction, using a stake of $2, and our entry point is digit 1. So another thing we require is the logic. So on the logic, bring this one here. We need to compare the logic on the drag this one, compare. We need to compare now the last digit using our entry point. So if the last digit, so search here on the block, when you search, the last digit will appear. So if the last digit is equal to the entry point, so on the variables entry point, if the last digit is equal to the entry point, we need this bot to purchase over. So drag this one at that point. Then we need a text to display. We need a text to display what we are creating. So drag this one to that point over there. So you can expand it 4 times like that. So the first one, you need it to display the last digit. So type the last digit. So and you bring this last digit here, drag it to that point. Then we want it to display the entry point. And then on the variables, drag the entry point to that point. So we also need a notification that will appear on the journal part. Drag this notification here to that point. Now we want it to display the text that we have created right now. So with that done, the bot is good to go. Let's test it and you'll see how it will work. So you can see the bot is displaying the last digit and the entry point. So once the entry point is hit, the bot will execute a trade.